In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete mail in Hostinger quickly and safely. If you've got an old mailbox you no longer need, or you want to clean up unused email accounts on your hosting plan, this guide will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully so you don't delete the wrong email address. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log in to your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Emails. This is where Hostinger keeps all of the email tools connected to your account. After that, click on Mailboxes. Here you'll see a list of all the email addresses that are currently set up for your domain. Take a moment to review the list carefully. If you manage more than one mailbox, make sure you choose the one you actually want to remove. This is the part where people should slow down a little, because deleting a mailbox will remove access to that email account and its messages, so double-check the address before you continue. Next, find the mailbox you want to delete and click the three-dot icon next to it. This opens the available actions for that email account. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Hostinger may ask you to confirm the action, and that's your final chance to make sure you're deleting the correct mailbox. Once you confirm, Hostinger will remove that email account from your mailbox list. After the deletion is complete, that mailbox will no longer be active, and you won't be able to sign into it unless you create it again later. If you were using that email address for a website, business contact, or login, make sure you update any important accounts before deleting it. And that's it. You've now deleted mail in Hostinger. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Hostinger guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.